Hello, Kindergarten 2 students. Welcome back to our reading tutorial. How are you today, guys? I hope that you are fine so you can do our reading project as usual. By the way, in this video, Miss will guide you how to read the sentences in English and Bahasa Indonesia. You will read in 3 sessions later. The first sessions, you will read the sentences in English. The second sessions, you will read the sentences in Bahasa Indonesia. And the last sessions, there is a short story for you that you need to read also. Okay, and the short story is in Bahasa Indonesia. Now, let's we go to the first sessions. We read the sentences in English first. Let's we go. Listen it carefully. Number 1. I smell the good plan and I smile. The ant is eating the snack. There is a stone. Please stop. Okay. Now we go to number 4. I chop the fish to cook my lunch. The sweet swan goes to the river to swim. We brush our teeth and take a bath. A sick king sings in the tent. Wash your white clothes with the brush. Next, he shows me photo from his phone. The crow fly on the crane. We have a good frame in front of the class. Next, I play the clay and she claps her hands. The cliff is high and Dave is not brave. Don't put the fuse near the candle. Nah, sekarang kita masuk ke sesi kedua. Kita akan membaca dalam bahasa Indonesia. Dengarkan baik-baik ya. Nomor 1. Bibi beli 2 bola baru. Bola kuning untuk saya dan adik. Nani pergi ke pesta pakai baju baru. Nani bahagia, banyak tamu yang datang. Selanjutnya, kami datang khusus untuk nyanyi di sini. Nyonya bermimpi seperti nyata. Permainan itu sangat memacu nyali. Khilaf saat jalan dan kakiku sangat nyeri. Lampu jalan tidak nyala selama sehari. Akhir dari pelajaran kami sangat seru. Nah, sekarang kita masuk ke sesi terakhir. Kita baca cerita singkat dalam bahasa Indonesia. Oke. Bola baru. Bibi beli bola baru. Bola baru ada 2. Ada warna merah, ada juga warna kuning. Bola kuning untuk saya, bola merah untuk adik. Saya suka bola itu. Adik juga demikian. Okay guys, that's all about our reading tutorial. So please train yourself to read and practice it at home. And don't forget to send your reading projects to our WhatsApp group and tell to your mommy or your daddy to send it to the WhatsApp group. Okay guys, don't forget to send it to our WhatsApp group and fighting for practicing yourself to read these sentences. Okay, see you on our next reading tutorial. Goodbye everyone.